This is how much money I've got with this last week, and you can do the same thing if you just follow the steps and you do properly whatever I show you today. So let's go, hit that subscribe button, and let's go and see how it's done. First of all, I want to show you how other people are doing it. So for example, if you go on Etsy.com, and you know what Etsy is a place where you can buy almost anything, except drugs maybe, but you can just buy anything on this website and it will get you a lot of money. And I really mean a lot of money, guys. There is a lot of people on this website and the traffic is enormous. You can actually see on SimilarWeb that Etsy.com has 421 million total visits per month, and that's a good traffic, guys. 400 million last 3 months. A lot of it is coming from the United States, so that's where the money is, okay? A lot of money can be made, and this strategy is really good. Also, it works all around the world, so you can live in Africa, you can live in Asia, wherever, guys, Australia, you can get a lot of money. Now, first of all, what I want you to do is I want you to go and make yourself an account on Etsy.com, and that's the first step that you want to do. Now, let me show you this. I have typed in the search bar Instagram template, okay? So Instagram template is something which can get you a lot of money, guys. Now, don't worry, you don't need any experience in making these Instagram templates, okay? I will show you a strategy where you don't actually have to do nothing. You don't need any experience, but you will get a lot of money with it. So let me just show you how other people are doing it. So for example, this guy, you can see that he has sold 70 of these templates and the price is $21.35. So he sold 70 of those and times 21.35, now he made $1.5 thousand. Now that's a lot of money for Instagram templates, right? $1.5 thousand. And all he did is he just put it on Etsy, and that's where the money is, okay? People are gonna come and they're gonna buy those. But there are even more successful stories than that one. Just take a look at this one. 492 sales, $5 each. That's like $2.5 thousand. And there are people really making huge sums of money. Just take a look at this one. 1.2 thousand sales, $11 each. And if we take that and multiply by $11 each, guys, now just take a look at this. $13,000. Now that's one huge amount of money. So let's go and get this for ourselves. As I've told you, go on Etsy.com, make yourself an account, and type an Instagram template just like I am right now. Then you should go to Canva.com, and you know what Canva is? Well, it can design anything for you, okay? So you can make anything on Canva and you can do it free of charge. Of course, there are paid plans on Canva as well, but you can make yourself a free account and start getting these Instagram templates just like that. And of course, guys, hit that subscribe button if you would like to see more of these videos. Thank you. Now, once you make yourself an account on Canva, you can now go and search for these Instagram posts, okay? You can even find it there. You can see that there is Instagram story, Facebook post, and you can sell those as well. Because on Etsy, there is everything, guys. You can just go and just search for Facebook posts, and you will find a lot of those here. Just take a look at this. A lot of people are making these Facebook posts, and they're selling them for good money, guys. Just take a look at this guy. 1.6 thousand sales, star seller, and he is charging $5 each. Now that's huge amount of money, guys. Huge amount of money for doing actually nothing. Canva is going to help you, okay? So let's choose, for example, Instagram post. Just click on there. You don't even have to type anything on Canva. And when you click on something on Canva, it will open this editor for you, and you don't even have to download any software for this. And on this left-hand side, you can choose whichever one of these you want. So, for example, this one, and you can now change whatever you want. You can move this, you can rename it, you can change the text inside of it, you can edit this the way you want. And of course, once you are satisfied with your design, you can just click on share and then just click on this download button. Now, when you click on download button, there is this file type and PNG is suggested, and that's maybe the best that you can do for Instagram posts, for example, but it will depend, of course. So now what I would suggest is that you go and just do some research about these templates. You can go and see what works, okay? So for example, let's go back to Instagram templates. So you can see here that this one has a lot of sales. So that's 800 sales and it's $6 each. So if this has a lot of sales, well, that's what people are looking for, okay? That's how it works. And you can just go and do a bit of a research. So for example, this one, 1.4 thousand sales. Now this guy made huge amount of money. So you can just just go enter inside of it and see what this is all about. And you can just see what people are making. How are they doing that? Okay, just do a simple research. It won't take away much of your time, but it'll be worthwhile once you go and edit your template here. But do not worry, guys, this comes with experience, okay? You have to invest a bit of your time, and each day you are gonna get better at this. And then just go and you can just choose these, but just remember, these with a crown, these Pro, that says Pro, these you have to pay for. So you have to upgrade on Canva Pro, which is here. And you can do that when you maybe get enough money from Etsy. When you make a lot of those sales here, that Canva Pro can really do you good, you know? Probably all these people are doing that. And now if you want to import anything in here, so you can now put any picture in here, any video, whatever you want. This can be even animation if you want it to be. Well, you can easily go on pexels.com, and this is a website where you have a lot of these photos which are free, okay? So these are copyright free photos, and you can just download it and you can upload that to Canva to your Instagram post design, okay? So you can even just search. For example, you can type in dog, and then there's going to be all of these doggy pictures which you can use totally free. You just have to, for example, I don't know, you have to click on it and then just click on free download, and it's going to go to your computer really quick. Later on, you just upload that into this editor of canva.com, and then you can do whatever you want with it. There is also this place which is similar to Etsy, but this is a bit different, creativemarket.com, and here you can also find these templates, these like websites, social media, Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest. You can use whatever you want, guys. You can see that people here are selling those for a higher sum of money. So you can see, for example, this one for $39, this one $44, $45, and these are really worth a lot. So if you can go and you can open a shop here on Creative Market, you will get a lot more money than you would get on Etsy, but it is a bit harder, of course. So what I would suggest is that you go on Etsy.com first, and when you become more experienced, then you can go on Creative Market as well, and then you can sell that for a lot more money. Then you can just go here, open a shop, just make yourself a brand new account, and then you can start getting huge amounts of money, guys, but you have to invest your time in it. The more time you invest in this, the more proficient you're going to be, and the more proficient you're going to be, well, the more customers you're going to get, and hence more money, right? As in life, with every job that you take on, you have to work hard on it. You have to be patient. You have to invest your time, do research, and get better at it each day, okay? So now go and follow all this strategy, and I trust you can, guys, make some nice amounts of money for yourself. Also, hit that subscribe, and I'll catch you later.